today's video, I just want to let you guys know that it is sponsored by my favorite company in the world to work with. That is Ana Luisa. Let's get into the vlog. Hi guys, good morning and happy Vlogmas day 15. I don't know how it's the 15th already. Christmas is in 10 days. That's freaking insane. It's been quite the productive morning. I got in from the airport last night. Dustin picked me up, took me to his gym. I got a nice workout in. I made my tofu scramble. I did some laundry. It's 11:54. I have a business meeting in 6 minutes, so I have to jump on to Zoom really quick and do that. Other than that, today is going to be a big editing and work day. I also have The Bachelor to catch up on. I watched last week's episode just now, and I still have to watch last night's episode, and then there's another episode tonight. I'm like, oh my goodness. And we're supposed to get a snowstorm. Binge watching a lot of that. I have so many YouTube videos to catch up on too. That's kind of what's going on. Not too much today. Definitely gonna be a quiet day, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. So this grocery haul is a little bit bigger just because it's a restock on a lot of stuff. I haven't been home in a week. So let's start with packaged goods. I got some of these because I've been obsessed with them. They are the Flex protein crisps. I got 2 bags of frozen strawberries, some Lily's dark chocolate baking chips, stevia sweetened and vegan and gluten-free. I got my favorite Kite Hill cream cheese, the everything kind. I got plant-based Parmesan cheese. I'm really excited. I want to put this on my kale salads. Excited to try. Got some tofu, some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, some Catalina Crunch, gluten-free flour, monk fruit sweetener, diced tomatoes, and then some baby spinach, a big thing of spinach because I fly through this, some kale, some broccoli, zucchinis, pomegranates, bananas, and a cucumber. That is everything. I did that in 1 minute. I'm very proud of myself. I don't know if this counts as failing at Vlogmas, but I'm sick. I feel like I get some sort of a pass. Since the last time I talked to you guys, I was sick in bed. Tuesday, I had a sore throat. I really thought nothing of it. And then I came down with a fever and a bunch of other fun symptoms. I woke up Wednesday morning feeling so awful. And they didn't have any COVID tests available for 2 days, which is today, Friday, and no doctor's appointments. So I have a doctor appointment today, and then I have a COVID test. Justin and I were gonna go get tested regardless because we're on vacation. So I'm getting tested today, but I feel a lot better. I honestly think I just had strep throat, but obviously I would rather be safe than sorry, just get tested. So that is what the past few days have been like for me. I really haven't done anything. I got something in the mail that I really want to show you guys. You guys know I love my Ana Luisa jewelry. I'm literally always decked out in them. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. This is the 3rd time I've worked with them, so you guys know I love them. They are currently having their biggest sale of the year, which runs from December 2nd to the 26th. So if you get some Christmas money that you want to spend online on the 26th, it's the last day, so I would definitely recommend doing that. Their shipping is so fast. You order something and it gets to your door 2 days later. All jewelry starts at $39, so everything is reasonably priced. And the US sale is buy one get one 40% off, which is an awesome deal. I think you guys should definitely take advantage of that. Plus you get a free travel case on orders over $150, and the travel case is so freaking cute. I want to get it so bad. So they sent me a few more pieces. I'm really excited to show you guys them. So the first one is this bracelet. I love this bracelet. It matches all of the other things I have from Ana Luisa, just nice gold dainty jewelry. Another thing you guys know I love about this brand is that it's very sustainable. It is all carbon neutral. They offset 100% of carbon emissions, starting with the sourcing of the raw materials all the way to when they dispose of them. And also I just love their little suede pouches. I have so many of these because I just have so many Ana Luisa pieces. Sorry, my voice. I cannot wait to wear this one. I need someone to put it on me, but it's so cute. I also got another bracelet. I actually ordered a second one for my mom. So if anyone is watching this, please don't spoil it for her. Also, Mom, if you're watching, please click out. I got it for myself, and then I was like, oh my god, I should get my one for my mom, and we could have matching ones, and I could give it to her for Christmas. I got myself this one, and I'm gonna give her the matching one. I love this piece. I'm usually a gold girl, but I do like to mix metals as well if I do it. I thought this was so cute. My mom really loves crosses. It's just a silver chain, but it's a really dark silver, which I really like about that because I really prefer a darker silver like this. And then the end of it has a little cross, which I think is just so precious. So I'm really excited. The one I ordered for my mom is coming soon, so I'm excited to have matching ones with her. And I feel like I always show you guys gold jewelry, and I had to show you a silver piece to let you know that it's mixture of both. And then the last piece I got were these earrings. I'm so excited to wear these. They are these like little oval earrings, and I don't have anything like it. I have so many earrings from Luisa, but I thought this one was really interesting and I'm excited to try these out. This jewelry is seriously the perfect gift and I just cannot recommend Luisa more. You guys know how much I love them. I just adore all of their pieces, and I love that they're like long lasting. I can wear them every day. They don't get beat up. But it is actually 11 o'clock and I have a COVID test and I have to go to Jersey for my COVID test because I can't find any in Philly. So I have to leave here in about 40 minutes and I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Whole Foods. Okay, so I'm going to be making a breakfast sandwich today. I've had the Just Egg before, but I've had it at a restaurant and I really wanted to make it myself. And they come like folded like this, so you put them in the toaster. I'm going to make a little breakfast sandwich. I'm gonna use the Trader Joe's sprouted sourdough, the Kite Hill cream cheese, which is the best stuff in the freaking world, and I'm gonna saute up some spinach too. So I'm gonna put this all together and I will let you guys know how it is. Okay, so I just got finished. I added some turkey bacon too. I added 2 slices, and that's the Kite Hill, and then I added some everything but the bagel seasoning. Got my coffee too. We're gonna go try this. All right, let's do it up. This is amazing. Wow. It just doesn't taste like egg, which honestly, I'm okay with. This is good. Okay, so I am about to pull up to this CVS. I got my car stuck in the snow. It was fucking horrible. First of all, I had like 2 feet of snow on my car and it took me like 10 minutes and all I had was one of these thingies to get the snow. It was so bad. I have like snow all in my Uggs right now. And then I couldn't get out of my parallel parking spot. I literally don't know how I'm even going to park again when I get back, but I'm glad I'm in Jersey because there was a specific gift for Justin that was at a Target in like Marlton, so I have to go down there and pick that up. I also have to go get wrapping paper, all of that stuff, cards, stuff for like decorating gifts and all of that. So that is what my day is going to be consisting of. I did like an in-store pickup, so I don't have to go into the store or anything. They're just I'm gonna pop my trunk and they'll just put it in my trunk, which is really nice, especially because like, I mean, I don't think I have COVID, but God forbid, don't have my test results back yet. So I just want to like be safe, not get anyone sick, and like quarantine myself. I have so many podcasts to listen to, so at least I get to do that all day. I really can't wait to get a cotton swab stuck up my nose. I'm just here for a COVID test.
What's the name?
Anastasi is the last name. Here we go. Here we go. Ugh. God, you really feel that shit touching your brain. Hello, I just got home. It is 3:30. I'm pretty hungry. I'm a little shaky because I had an Alani Nu energy drink and I don't know, it just made me really shaky. So I'm gonna have a little kale salad right now. I'm not like terribly hungry. It's like, I think just because I'm getting over being sick, I don't have a huge appetite. So let's see. We have some chicken. I cooked this last night, and some kale. What is this? That's a zucchini. Cucumber. Feta. Parmesan. And last but not least, the greatest. I also think I want to make some cookies later, some Christmas cookies. This is the finished product. This shit is so good. I'm literally addicted to it. So I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and catch up on some Vlogmases. Good morning. I just woke up and realized that I just forgot to vlog yesterday. Just forgot. I don't know what happened. I really don't know. I don't know. It is now Saturday morning. I could not sleep last night for the life of me. I was up. There was like crazy things going on in the streets at like 2 a.m. Sometimes I get scared living on my own. Last night was one of them. So I wanted to show you guys what I just made. It is a chocolate peanut butter latte. It is so good. I just do like the regular Trader Joe's dark roast as my coffee because I love that. And then I frothed PB Fit with stevia and a little bit of cocoa powder and almond milk, and it, oh my god, my voice, I'm so sorry. And almond milk, and it's so good. It's so good. If you guys want something like that feels like a treat but is really not, I would definitely make that. So I am just getting a bit of work done. I have business things to get done tonight. Justin and I are gonna go look at Christmas lights. I'm really excited about that. I wanted to do it last night, but the roads are just still kind of bad and really icy, so we decided to like wait off till tonight. I'm so excited. We haven't done anything Christmassy at all. I really wanted to go into Center City and do like the Christmas Village or anything, and I think it's just gonna be like a slow morning. Okay, you guys, I was just editing and then I got a text that my COVID results were in. We are negative, baby. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, it was just some strep throat. That shit sucked, but it's better than COVID. Okay, so it is now 2:50. I just made my second coffee of the day because I'm exhausted. I have to say, this is my favorite spot to vlog. Like, the lighting is just like always A1. It's freaking cold as shit in this house. It's so funny, like your parents will always yell at you for like turning up the heat or like wanting to be warmer in your house, and then you grow up and then you're like, oh, this is like expensive. So I keep my house like kind of cold. I've been pretty busy. I've been editing all day. I was on the phone with HMTQ for an hour. That was horrible. I got ready. I put some makeup on. It feels nice. I haven't like gotten ready and put makeup on since honestly vacation because I was sick, so it feels good to just be ready. I have to go run to the post office and I have to go do that like now before they close, but I'm just lazy and I'm cold and I don't feel like going outside. I also just filmed some TikToks. If you guys don't follow me on there, you should really follow me because I really post a lot. I just posted a couple body positivity ones, so you guys always need inspo. I'm always like posting new stuff, so I will see you guys in a little bit. I really wish there was more for me to vlog, but you know, quarantine. Tomorrow I'm getting a blowout. I'm really excited. I'm going to this new place in Center City. They asked me to come in, so I think I'm gonna make that a new vlog. And then Justin and I definitely want to do some more Christmas stuff for Wednesday. I have a lot of wrapping to do today too, so maybe I'll vlog that, but that requires me going to my car to go get the stuff in it, which I need to do like right now. I'm definitely excited to see what the snow looks like out here because the roads have been so bad, so bad. Literally, like, how is this okay? I don't understand. I understand. I wish I could show you guys like the whole street, but it's like the entire street looks like this. This is so bad. Oh. I just got out of Staples. I had to actually ship 2 things. This is my old iPhone. I forgot to mail. Oh my god, this is friggin' my sound. I completely forgot to send back my old phone because I did like the trade-in to get the new one, and I completely forgot to actually send the phone back because they don't take it at the store, which is weird. I forgot to do that, so I had to package that phone up, and now I have to go to drop this off at the post office before they close. There's so much traffic. Literally, people just forget how to drive in the snow, and the roads are so bad. So bad. That's what's going on. Nothing crazy. I've actually been listening to a bunch of podcasts today just because I missed like so much while I was away, because I am a religious podcast listener. Like, if I am subscribed to a podcast, I listen to every week's episode. I'm a loyal podcast girl, so I have like a lot of Chicks in the Office stuff. The only one I was caught up on was Call Her Daddy, but I have to finish catching up on Off the Vine with Caitlin Bristow. What else do I have? Lady Gang, Chicks in the Office, all their Bachelorette recaps, Nick Viall's podcast. It's been quite the podcast day. I wish I could have like a more exciting Vlogmas, but tonight will be fun. I'm excited to show you guys that.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
All right, so I just got home. I'm covering some presents, but there's beginning to be a little bit of a pile, and I got all the stuff to like wrap with, so I'm gonna get started on this. You know, I'm just an idiot sometimes. I really am, I'll admit it, you know? Sitting here wrapping. I'm like, oh, how cute, like making my nice little gifts. One's for my mom, and then I'm like putting some things in these little boxes, and then I go to wrap them, and I'm like, I forgot wrapping paper. Like, I literally just forgot it. I don't know how I forgot the main thing that I needed, but I did. So looks like I will be taking another trip to the store, which is fine. I mean, it's not like it's like the day before Christmas. I actually love wrapping gifts. This is like therapeutic for me. Anyway, just that update. I would show you guys what I'm wrapping, but obviously that would give the gifts away for the people that are watching the videos, so that will not be happening. Okay, is this lighting gonna work?
I don't know. We gotta figure this out. Don't be on this. It's about to be our turn.
We're not going anywhere.
I don't know what's taking.
Anyway, we're stuck in traffic, but we're
going
going
to
look at
like
Christmas
getting
lights.
stuck on the ice?
Oh no.
Oh no, there's some shit blinking up there.
It's probably like an accident or something. It's a Grubhub driver.
Honestly, it probably is.
Or an Amazon truck. They always get in the way.
Nah, but we wouldn't be slowly moving up if it was something like that. I don't know what this is.
We're going to Brew Mall.
Of course we had to go.
Chestnut Hill area? Yeah, this is a weird street to go down. Bro, what?
What is this?
Is that an ambulance? Oh, it's a garbage truck?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You
go
should
this
dip
way.
out. Oh no. The streets are literally ridiculous here. Philadelphia, do something about this.
Over there?
Wait, we should go one day.
Do what?
Where's the to do over there? Is that all? Oh my god, the roads are so bad. Yeah, I like this. Simple, but a lot. You know? This is like my fave. Just like a nice classic holly with some white lights. I love how old this house is. Oh, so pretty. That tree looks kind of dumb. Oh, go down that street. They have a lot. Even these people do too.
Which direction?
Ooh, I don't know, left or right? All right, go left. We can go right later. Pretty.
Peace.
I like how everyone's here are like just like simple and white.
Bum, banana, bum. Expectation. Oh, yo, this shit is clean.
All right, we're about to pull up to this house. Let's see what it is,
Is it this?
like. Yeah, this is it.
This shit look dumb.
This honestly does look dumb.
I'm not even pulling over for this garbage. This shit is
Oh my
ridiculous.
god, that's horrible.
That shit actually looks like ass.
Just okay.
Ew. I hate you so much. This shit ain't even nice.
I like the hills. I just miss the hills of North
like this
Jersey. Yeah, I like that one too. That one's kind of lame. Walking home from they have a lot of the icicle lights over here in this hood. There's no such thing as Santa. But as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Okay, so we just got back from looking at the lights. It's like 10 o'clock now. I am editing this video. I also just checked my Spotify following, and I feel like a lot of you guys just followed me for my drive with me. Like, so weird. I forgot all about that. But I just wanted to end off this vlog. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be really exciting. I have lots of stuff to prep for like Christmas. Getting my hair done. I'm going back to Sugar Bar, my fave place. We have lots of fun things within the next week. And I just want to say thank you to Anna Luisa for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I love them so, so much. Are you coming to end the video too?
Hello.
Do you have anything you want to say?
Just, that was it. Hello.
Okay. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. We will see you
Next time.
in the next vlog when it's basically Christmas. Are you excited?
You're choking me.
No, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay, bye!
Bye.